So have you been thinking a way of what having a free course, or you wanted to generate a free course that you wanted to start what you want to become a freelancer, or you want to learn about anything based on your what based on your career? Either you want to become a cyber security, you want to become a marketer or graphic designer, web developer, data analytics, or AI machine learning. So this opportunity is how you can how you can get a free course to upgrade your skills. Either you want to become a meta full stack development, Google digital marketing and AI, and so many kind of courses that you can learn. You can learn Google data and statistics professional as well. So these are the courses that you can learn: prompt engineering, deep learning course, Microsoft engineering, ChatGPT prompt engineering, and so many kind of code that you can learn from this platform. So the name of the platform that you wanted to learn it is, you can get this free course. It's called Coding Hyper. This Coding Hyper is opportunity for you to learn any kind of skill that you intended to learn. And this opportunity is for you to enhance your skills as a freelancer, or you have a career that you are chasing on. So this opportunity for you. So what you need to do is just you need to open a Coursera account. Once you open a Coursera account, the next thing is what? Go to Google. You have to search on Google. Then you come to this platform, which is codehyper.ai course. So once you come to that platform, then the next thing to do is just to search based on the kind of thing that you wanted to learn. So let me just pick as one of the course that we can know that we wanted to learn about. This is what we call e-commerce, Google digital marketing, or e-commerce as well. So let your search on it and now what it shows on. So you can see now, once you search on it, it actually bring a Coursera. So the next thing is just come to this search. Then you can see enroll for free starting April 3. Then you can enroll any kind of course that you want to enroll for. So let us start the course that we actually wanted to enroll. So you can enroll. You can see digital marketing, e-commerce digital marketing certificate. So you can learn, and if you just click on it to enroll on the course, let us actually show what the kind of course that you want to. So this opportunity is for us to build our career, to learn any skill that we intended to learn and we want to go for, or whatever the kind of skill that you wanted to learn about. So there are many skills that you can learn in Coursera. You can see professional certificates on on 8 course, which is fundamental of digital marketing, e-commerce, attraction and customer digital marketing, liking lead and interactive. So there are many courses that you can learn through this opportunity, and this is an opportunity to exploit any kind of skill that you want. You can see client services, skills, texting, interview skills, and many kind of skills. So what you just need is just what you just need to get started is your PC or your phone and the internet to watch. Once you have a data, you can learn any kind of skill that you intended to learn. So there is no how that you can. So any skill that you are chasing for, or you intended to know, is for you to come here. Then you search on the course. Maybe this kind of course that you wanted to learn. Let me just search on it. So Shopify, because I'm a Shopify designer, so this is one I wanted. Shopify SEO. Let us search on it. So once we search on it, the next thing to do is come to it. Actually show. Though there is other platform that you can actually use. We have what we call Dix. We have other platform that you can use aside from this AI course, Code Hyper. So once you actually see the course that you wanted to learn, then you opt into it. It takes you to Coursera. So this is one of the courses I actually pursued yesterday from these opportunities. You can see this is Shopify designer. So you learn, you have the certificate. So one after the other, maybe you wanted to learn any skills that you wanted to learn. You can learn it through the Hyper code. And if you know that you found this information helpful, you can reach out and comment under the section. And if you know that there are something that you wanted to know more, you can reach out to a section under the comment section. So I will put the link about how you can link for the Hyper code and also the Coursera under this under the description of our YouTube channel. So I'm a Shopify design. If you are looking for someone you wanted to start a Shopify design or marketing or SEO expert, you can reach us towards Exec Education, and our channel is what we call Exec Education, but our company name is what we call Exec Success. You can reach us to us on X, which is Exec Success.